mag-unboxing ng ating dumating na package at yung anak ko magtutuloy. So, yan lang. See ya. Okay, go na.
Okay. Ay, mamaya yan.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with biryani first.
Oh, so heavy.
What is this? Wow, it's a double.
Super fragile.
Wow. It is rice. Oh, what is this?
What
What is this
that?
first? Oh, it's the... Mama knows this.
What is that?
This is the seasoning.
Oh.
It's a little cracked. But this is meat.
Yes.
Chicken biryani seasoning thing. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, why is this different? Oh, it's two. Is it? Very different. Ano siya? Wala siyang hangin. Wala siyang hangin.
Wow.
Ay, ito meron. It is 1 kilo. Okay, I don't care about that. This one, I wanna see this one. This is a birthday gift. Oh, you can see it now. Oh, I can see it. I don't want to show it to you.
Ooh.
Why is it both different?
I also don't know. Let's see.
Oh, cleaning the waves. Is this Tagalog?
Taglish.
Okay, so here's this. It looks nice.
Yes.
And it looks really good. Okay, here's another one. This is book 3, yes?
And what book is this?
2. Wow. Oh, this is like every year?
What do you mean?
Every year. Like they have 4 years in college. So they have 4 books.
No. There's only 3.
I thought it was like that. Okay, that's it. I know why they're so different.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi, pangit daw eh pag ano, hindi sila sinan.
Yes.
Pag magkukonekta ka.
But we cannot be chooser.
Ang hangin siya.
She smell it. No. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
I just had to let you know you're